Mama Faith, I hope all you good. Today ngihlangana nenye video la ku YouTube la mangibona una lady aphiwe eno Mahu way before ama beef wabo nama misunderstanding and everything. And what I've realized about that video guys ukuthi yazi ezabantu abamnyama, if we can learn to apologize masenze iphutha yayibona lonto le, and sibe abantu abafunda ukusebenzisana yabo, unity, you understand? Because what I've realized mama mela ngoma la, it's a small clip yabo, a very small clip, but that song mezoba hit. That song, trust me, mezoba hit. That song abe bageke ngayo kakhulu, and that song mezobenza ukuthi actually support kakhulu, especially KZN, because these people, they from KZN, you understand? And just because of misunderstanding, nongazwisani somehow, you understand, nongafuna ukulalela isathi lomunye umuntu, isincishe la ngoma leya, isincishile la ngoma, and bazincishe ne-opportunity nabo ukuthi bangenza into ezinkulu, you understand? Angithathi side la muntu guys, la angithathi side la muntu, but I'm just want to show ukuthi as abantu abamnyama, if we can learn ukusebenzisana, nokuxolisa, noku-understand ukuthi senza amaphutha, silungisa amaphutha wethu, ziningi izinto esingazivela zona ebomini bethu, you understand? Ziningi into singazenza ebomini bethu, ziningi into zingachange ebomini bethu, but thina abantu abamnyama sikhontrola kakhulu i-ego, sikhontrola kakhulu ukuzitshela ukuthi angeke ngiyoxolisa kubani bani just because of ukuthi nokuthi, or angeke ngizwe ngobani bani just because of ukuthi nokuthi, nami like I'm this big and all those things. And I feel like into ezisilimazayo, especially thina abantu abamnyama. And thema ngibona la video le, I realize ukuthi ngempela basifimbe ingoma emezoba mnandi, and basifimbe ingoma emezoba hit just because of misunderstanding yabo, you understand? And omunye umuntu angabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, kuningi kazi okwenzeka, yabona, but ngizomane ngifaka just ama-clip lapho nalapho nibona ukuthi kwenzakalani. But into engayisho mina iyodwa la ukuthi ngempela ezantu abamnyama, we need to fix ourselves guys, we need to fix ourselves, sikwazi ukuthi senze into ezinkulu ebomini, because the way simanuva ngakhona, the way simuva ngakhona, I feel like sekuningi okushodayo kithi, sekuningi nje kakhulu. And special even when it's come to unity into esingenayo, asinayo unity, asikwazi sebenzisana, asikwazi supportana, asikwazi bonisana uthando, you understand? Omunye umuntu angathi unity khona, unity guys ayikho, special like kulama field amakhulu, abantu ba drive ama-ego, abantu ba drive like zi-daters, you understand? Ngezinto ongahlela phansi ukuthi mawuzibheka ubone ukuthi zizinto like ezingalungiseka, izinto ezincane man, yayibona lonto le, izinto ezincane kakhulu, ngendlela ukuthi endlela engibona ngayo ukuthi into ezincane ngakhona, but zenza impact enkulu for ukumosheni impilo zabantu, you understand? Into zakhona ezincane mara zenza impact enkulu for ukumosheni impilo zabantu, and abantu abakuboni lokho, and bazokubona masokuhamba isikhathi after some years, you understand? Lama countries osobona emakhulu is because those people babambisene. Just bona ama-musician wase-America benza the way benza ngakhona is because babambisana those people baze bafike la bekhona, angeke ufike la uyi-one, you understand? So la video nthemba ngiyibona nje yangenza like nga-realize something ukuthi we have lose something engabe maybe ithathe i-industry ibeka kwelinye izinga, yabo, but omunye umuntu ngekayibone ngaleyo ndlela, yabo, because uthi hayi maybe ubani unesikhundla, nesisikhundla, so they don't need each other guys, trust me, no matter kuthiwa ungakanani ebomini, you need each other, no matter ningakanani, we need each other. Just imagine the impact abanawo both of them mayihlangana, mezowenza more. Ndakutshela mina out of 100%, if 50 or 60% was going to stream that song from a KZN alone, just because of uzokuhlangana ilento inkosazana zakhona, mangibeke nje kanjalo, inkosazana zakhona, yayibona lonto, because these two people boyi-two bane-impact enkulu kakhulu. Just imagine these two impact ihlangane bayi-one in one song, impact enkulu kakhulu leyo. enkulu kakhulu, but I feel ukuthi abayibonanga just because of amaphutha enzekile nento ezenzekile, and ingathi bangayilungisa la thing, yabo, ingathi bangayilungisa la thing, and after beyilungisile I feel like they can make a hit song. They can make a hit song, like bakhohlwe but into ezibuye emuva, ama-beef balibale nje ngazo, yabo, just nje bafocus ku-writing, yabo. Mina into engicabanga ngayo leyo engicabanga ngakhona leyo engibona ngakhona, yabo, angazi na guys ngicabanga kanjani. Nani drop ama-comment wenu kuma-comment section ngicabanga ukuthi these people if like bangahlangana bashaya ingoma eyi-one nje ingoma, you understand, ingoma khona ngeke ibe ne-impact ngendlela engicabanga ngayo. Nale video manje ibhekile nani ayiniki la dude, like these two people they can make this impact. I never feel ngicabanga like they can make impact, these two people engathi bangayifixa writing bayilungise and then drop le ngoma.
She want me to help her.
Okay.
She will come and drop it. I was like, okay, cool. So we did a song, but the song didn't work.
Okay.
First time there was this like trending picture until we were fight when my sister Osiswam Amahlenzi event. And so you be sent the event amazing, and I was booked as well. So you probably qala umengena lapha umefika ufike nabantu abawu3 ukele. So yena wavela wathi kumele wangenisa everyone besemnyanga efuna bangene like, and ba complain bathi no you can't, like cela ukuze nalabantu ufike nabo ngoba labantu obviously ngoba bekulayini abantu abazothenga ama tickets obviously abazokhokha abazongena.
Wayebookiwe yena noma
wayebook osiswami.
Oh great, azosebenza.
So ahambe ke mehamba osiswami mefika ngakusasendlini athi cela i-refund imali yami because ngicela ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene. That time ke ngoba eqinisweni zokukhuluma la khona waqala mthuka ke wambiza ngamagama abhlungu ngingabiza la magama because crazy.
Yeah.
Wathi wena inganakhe lezi ntutha all of those like
ubani koqala ukuthuka umunye
ukunaleto oqala ukuthuka amahle.
Yeah.
My sister sent me videos. I was like, "Ow." Kawasanda ama video amaningi yaweza usayibona is hectic yo.
Yeah.
Ngistress nami lento lelo. Athule amahle aphinde futhi emina amthuke futhi again. Amthuke. Ngathi nawe mphendule. Kwatshelwe yini? Ngathi nawe mphendule ngeke phela. Mase amphendula kanayo. Because kubhlungu mfethu like losing a child, people or wabe ku situation where they look because abanye abantu abazali.
So wamthuka
ngengane yakhe. Wamthuka umntana wakhe singane yakhe lezi ntuthane la yakhe. Sithe kanjalo. And she cried. My sister, yo, amakhala ngathi namephendula, and then that's when akhuluma lento ngoma wakhe ke.
All right. And now like isinjani ubudlelwane benu njengamanje? Is it something that kusazwana completely kuyaclash nake nazama ukuthi nihlale phansi nikhulume ngakho?
No, we didn't talk. Ayekho into esikhuluma.
Kodwa niyafisa ukuthi
kwagcina lapho nje kwaba nje la drama yenzakalayo, and then Valo ka decide ukuthi listen, let me just keep quiet now since like agcina ngidelile wathi ingqondo mayithatha. That's why I decided no, there's something wrong with the child. Sengimdala oh man.
Yeah. What's over Sunday one day?
That's no, athi ngivele ngithule. Ngiyamthanda.
Yeah.
I'm being honest. Like,
oh, that's
I don't
nice.
have a problem,
I love that.
But angazi like umuntu let's say someone ngivele ngifike ngikuthuka ungalindele.
Yeah.
Sometimes uko confused hoyibo.
Kanjani man?
Uma uzongithuka yabo.
Yeah.
So and then nami ngathuka because in most cases ngiyabaziba abantu bajwayele bakhona bazama. I feel like there's a team behind.
Eyamtshela ukuthi
delela umahuna ke manje so lesozotrenda nawe yabo because they know at the time. Yeah, so it's nice was trend. Actually into angiphatha kabi ukuthi afake number on internet and then that's when the story started. And right now I'm being honest with my numbers. So that's why I have 2 contacts. Le enginoba bengayishare it's fine. I don't trust like mina mfethu privacy is very very important, you know. Yeah.